Let T of T denote the temperature in New York City measured in degrees Celsius when it's T hours after midnight. We have the following graph, guys, and we're trying to analyze a couple of things. First of all, the hardest thing about this problem is that they give you the T in hours after midnight. That could be very confusing because we're used to telling time by looking at the clock. So if it's 2 hours after midnight, what time is it, guys? It's actually 2 a.m. This will be 4 a.m. This will be 6. Everything is nice, very, very nice and dandy until you get to 14. Here's where you really need to think, because 14 hours after midnight is actually 2 p.m. This will be 4 p.m., 6 p.m., and 8 p.m. If you don't understand that, guys, this problem is going to be very difficult. So now that we got that out of the way, let's start thinking. Well, you're given a couple of features and you're given a couple of statements. The point of this activity is for you to combine to match which one goes with what. Well, if we're talking about the y-intercept here, let's take a look at the y-intercept. The y-intercept is the point that crosses the y-line. So it's crossing over here, guys, at -3. At -3. So, and the y represents what, guys? It represents temperature. So if you're at 0, how much time has passed since midnight? 0 hours. So what time is it right now? It's actually midnight. Midnight. So which statement best matches that idea? Is it was getting warmer between 2 a.m. and 2 p.m.? Or the temperature was above 0 between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m.? We don't care about those things. It was -3 degrees Celsius at the beginning of the day. And remember, when they say beginning, look at your phone. When does your phone change dates? At midnight. So that's considered the beginning of the day. So we're going to combine these two. There it is. So we combine them. Now, let's go to the next one. We're going to talk about, how about we talk about positive or negative intervals? Positive or negative intervals. What does that mean? Well, again, we're still talking about the y in the graph, but we talk about when a graph is above the 0, isn't that considered positive? And when the graph is below the 0, isn't that considered negative? So which one would talk about those specifically? So, and again, we're talking about the y, so we're still talking about temperature. So it was getting warmer between 2 a.m. and 2 p.m. Are we talking about getting warmer here? Between 2 a.m. and 2 p.m. right here. Okay, that's one. The temperature was above 0. Remember, we're talking about a positive and negative intervals. Above 0 between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. Well, here's 8 a.m. Here's 8 p.m. Isn't this above 0? You guessed it. So now we're talking about positive or negative intervals. Since this one gave us a clue of above 0, we're going to put them next to each other. We're going to match them. And the last one, guys, it was increasing or decreasing intervals. Well, increasing or decreasing, guys, if you don't remember, it's like when you look at a graph, think about it like a roller coaster. The roller coaster right now, it goes up, 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 up. It's increasing. And at some point, the roller coaster is going to go down. It's going to decrease. That's what increasing or decreasing means. And when we're talking about up and down in this problem, when we're talking about going up and down, we're talking about the temperature. Either the temperature goes up or the temperature goes down. It was getting warmer between 2 a.m. and 2 p.m. Well, here's 2 a.m., right? 2 in the morning. Here's 2 p.m. If the temperature is going up, is it getting warmer or colder? It's getting warmer. So was it going up all the time until 2 p.m.? Yep. So that's how you know it was increasing between those times. So we're going to combine those together. And that's basically it.